No, they never said, oh, it's because of this boss. Many of them refer to their actual experience. No, the first time that they had to supervise people, the first time that they had to work across different departments, the first time they had to work with difficult customers or reorganization of the company. So, the things that are new, first time for them to experience, things that they have to work with other companies, things that could lead to success or failure. Kasi may risk-taking. May risk-taking involved. Okay? And that is what they remember. So, what McCall and the others did was to assign, the ball of the learning comes from actual experience. So, they did, 70%. How about the 20%? The role of the relationship, mentors. Their role is to provide the framework.
The mentors, you mean?
The mentors. What did you experience? Why do you think that happened?
So they ask the questions.
They ask the questions, relevant, penetrating questions. And they force them to reflect about the experience. So the reflection happened.
To the reflections, it
Through the
enhances their
reflection.
knowledge.
Yes. So, nakita nila, yun ang role ng mentors. It is not an optional role. It is a critical role na kailangan ng reflection. But what's the role of the training? The role of the training is to provide them the scientific model, the business model, how it works.
The laboratory.
Yeah. So, when you attend your MBA, for example, you learn, okay, when you come up with a business, you do the,
You do your business plan.
you do the SWOT, no? The SWOT.
Analysis. So,
You do the SWOT analysis. You do your customer analysis. You understand the business. And then they come up with different tools how to address the business. So, may mga tools, this is what we call a model, the business model, na ito yung nagbibigay ng language. They never attribute their development to this training or to the mentors, but they play still very critical role. So, kailangan makakasama siya. This is not a quantitative estimate of how many percent of learning should be. This should be 70%. Hindi ganun. This is descriptive, or they call, the term that is used, heuristic. It's a heuristic tool for them to understand that you need to use assignments, work experiences to develop your people. The problem is that, and this happens in a lot of organizations, what they do a training needs analysis. What kind of training do you need?
TNA.
TNA. It's not exactly the right question. The better question should be, what kind of experience do you need to develop this kind of competency?